Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, I'm D. Srinivasarao, Assistant Professor, Intermediate Management, Kokaraji College of Engineering and Technology. So, as per our workload of 2021 semester year, first semester, um, as per the workload, I would like to teach the third year students first semester artificial intelligence techniques. So, it is a elective professional elective subject. So the subject is opted by 65 students from both. These are from both A and B section. So before going to artificial intelligence techniques, techniques. So first, I would like to tell what is the importance of soft computing techniques. So the new inventions are developed with many application among with the soft computing methods plays the major role. Suppose if you consider any new innovations are developed with many applications among with soft computing methods plays the major role. So these techniques are embedded and implemented in many industries. So generally, if you consider the IT or non-IT, if you consider any industry, these methods are implemented. So, for example, if you consider any industry, the controlling the complex parameters is the major task. So, generally in industries, there are many problems arises day by day. So, generally those problems are accomplished with the many complex parameters. So, for controlling the complex parameters are the major tasks which enhance the importance of soft computing techniques. By using these soft computing techniques, they can control the complex parameters. The traditional controls were designed on the basis of mathematical modeling equations. Suppose if you consider the complex parameters problem task, so we're designing on the basis of mathematical modeling equations formed under the stable conditions of the electrical systems. The better performance has been judged while using the soft computing techniques in combination with conventional methods. The soft computing techniques group to solve the issues by learning from the mechanism provided to training themselves through the experience. So generally, if you are deeply going to the artificial techniques, so first I would like to tell what are the core objectives of the artificial intelligence techniques. So the main objective of this course is to classify the difference between biological neutral and artificial neutral. So in this one, the people are classifying the biological neutron as well as an artificial neutron to understand the basic functions in designing the artificial system. So in this one, the students are easily identifying the designing the intelligent system and the difference between. So in this course, the students is is easily differentiate between the artificial networks and artificial neural networks and fuzzy neural networks. And the students are easily identify the systems which are designed using fuzzy and neural networks. Describes the importance of genetic algorithm and its applications. So these are the main course objectives of artificial intelligent techniques. Suppose if you are going to first unit, so the first unit it contains neural networks. The objective of this first unit is at the end of this unit, the student must be able to tell what are the types of activation functions are used in the artificial neural networks. Activation functions are used in the artificial neural networks. And the students also able to list the types of associative memories. What are the associative? What are the add-on memories to the artificial networks? And the students must be able to classify the learning methods available for training a neural network. And the students are able to summarize the applications of neural networks. Suppose in the objectives also I discussed, uh, the students are classifying the biological neutron as well as artificial neutron. So in this unit, I would like a few points I would like to explain biological neutron. This is the schematic diagram. This is the block diagram of biological neutron. So it consists of several parts. Suppose, see here, these are the axon, the body, uh, dendroids, nucleus, and these are the generally these are the major parts of the biological neutron. Suppose if you consider the artificial neutron, see the artificial neural network model. These are the C, X, Y. These are the generally these are the inputs we are giving this function. So this is the basic model of artificial neural network. So already I previously explained this is the neural biological neuron. So so the students are classifying the difference between biological neuron as well as artificial neuron. So this is the small video. So I framed for you for the demo purpose. So in the regular classes I will continue.